Hi, Ben. I'm you. It's been a while since we were diagnosed with Alzheimer's. I saw so many patients like us, but I still can't imagine how bad it's going to be in our future. I had a bad dream last night, watching myself wandering in this house without any purpose. Hello?
Dad, it's Pete.
Who?
Dad, I'm your son.
Oh, Pete. How's school doing?
I've been working in the tower for years, Dad.
Hello, Ben. It's Annie. I got your favorite ribeye for lunch today. My poor Ben. On the floor again. All right, let me help you get up. What happened, Mr. Ben? Are you okay?
你啊，就是你那天跟他一起去我的生日派对。你在这里干嘛？你嘲笑我啊
I should pay you with my watch, I think.
No, I need cash.
I can pay you this.
No, I need cash. If not, you need to get out of
What's
here.
your
I have another
problem?
customer. Sorry, I cannot help you. Next, how can I help you, sir?
Hey, I just need to pay you something.
Sure. 9:15. You're good.
Okay.
赶紧的，赶紧的，干活的！天天的干嘛呢都？迟到，又是你！赶紧的，都给我麻利点啊！好蛋子，好蛋子。
Mom, Joanna misses you a lot. She is dying to hear her grandma play the piano sometime.
Mom sold that piano a long time ago.
Yeah, you'd know that if you came that night.
Good afternoon. I believe we have everyone here. Let's get started.
I'm sorry, and you are?
You're dealing in my fucking backyard? Have you ever thought about Joanna?
Cut the crap, Dean. But if you really cared about your daughter, then why didn't you pick her up like you're supposed to?
I was busy getting my baby girl stuff for Stanford.
Using your poor salary from the pharmaceutical factory? Yeah, so what? I added something to the shrimp.
But Dad's allergic to shrimp.
We all are, except...
Everyone in our family except you is allergic to shrimp, and we still have shrimp every fucking time. How is that fair? It could all be so much easier if you just died.
I watched John take his pills as usual before he went to bed. I lied next to him. It was so quiet that night. I felt his body go cold. And then I flushed the pills down the toilet and I called 911. No one can take Adam away from me.
Daddy!
Hey!
It,